The Seagram building is a 516 feet tall skyscraper with 38 floors located in Midtown Manhattan, New York. It was designed by a German architect by the name of Ludwig Mies van der Rohe in 1958. Born in Aachen, Germany, Mies attended the cathedral school there. When he was 29 years old, Mies moved to Berlin and became an apprentice in the office of a famous interior designer named Bruno Paul. At this time, he was not formally trained in architecture. He worked as an independent architect until 1914, when he entered the military. After being demobilized, Mies practiced architecture until 1937 in Berlin. Mies earned the gold medal of the Royal Institute of British Architects in 1959, the AIA gold medal in 1960, and the J. Lloyd Kimbrough Medal in 1961. He was also the first architect to ever obtain the American Presidential Medal of Freedom in 1963. After being sick for a long time, Mies passed away at the age of 83 on August 17, 1969 in Chicago, Illinois. Mies was selected to design the Seagram building because of his reputation for single-mindedness verging on predictability. But the answer he came up for this project was the most imaginative and unique design of his career. In order to celebrate its 100th anniversary, Joseph E. Seagram and Sons Corporation decided to make a building of their own. Seagram board chairman Samuel Bronfman's daughter, Phyllis Lambert, was given complete power in selecting the architect for the project. Working with Philip Johnson, who was ready to give up his position of director of the Department of Architecture in the Museum of Modern Art at the time, Lambert selected a dozen prominent architects and later shrank the list to 3: Frank Lloyd Wright, Le Corbusier, and Mies. Mies was mainly selected over the other two renowned architects because of the fear that Wright and Le Corbusier would be difficult to work with. Mies, on the other hand, was deemed to be more predictable and reliable. The Seagram building is built with the international style, which had a huge impact on American architecture. Mies wanted to allow the functional utility of the building's structural elements to be visible. The American building codes, however, required structural steel to be covered by fireproof material, usually concrete. Thus, Mies used non-structural bronze-toned I-beams for the structure instead. These can be seen from the outside of the building. The cost of construction set a world record as the most expensive skyscraper upon completion.